In a quiet field, two armies faced off, each waiting for the other to make the first move. The tension was palpable, but not a sound was heard. Suddenly, a soldier named Bob sneezed loudly, breaking the silence. "Bless you!" shouted a voice from the opposing side. Laughter erupted from both camps, breaking the tension. Bob, embarrassed, waved sheepishly. "Sorry, allergies!" he called out. The generals, seeing the humor, decided to settle the battle with a game of rock, paper, scissors instead. Peace was declared, and everyone went home happy. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.